Hi friends, welcome to Jupiter's collection. My name is Kavita and I'm from Mumbai. I have some rare scarce coins for you all today. Let's start. 1971 Mumbai Mint 100, 1979 Mumbai Mint 100, both are UNC. 91 Hyderabad 50 rupees. Nehru Kolkata BU, Mumbai BU 100 rupees each, set for 200. 97 Seoul Mint, foreign mint 40 rupees. Asian Games Mumbai Mint BU 200. 96 Mumbai National Integration 50 rupees. Louis Bailey Mumbai Mint BU 100 rupees. 75 Mumbai Mint 50 paise, UNC 100 rupees. Rajiv Gandhi BU Mumbai Mint 100 rupees. 73 Mumbai and 73 Kolkata. This is a set. This has a copper line, 100 rupees each. Set is for 200. 2005 Mumbai Mint UNC cross coin 50 rupees. 2007 Kolkata Mint UNC cross coin 50 rupees. 84 and 85 Mumbai Mint 200 rupees set. 2003 Hyderabad Mint BU 100 rupees. Hindi Nehru Hindi Legend Mumbai Mint 100. Clear nose variety Jagadguru Narayana Mumbai Mint. You can see the nose, extra fine condition, only for 300. 25th anniversary Kolkata Mint UNC 50 paise 200. Quit India Movement BU Mumbai 300. Railways Mumbai BU 200. Rajiv Gandhi BU. This is a ghost image one. You can see the ghost image of Rajiv Gandhi. Full ghost image is there. His face 200. Rural Woman UNC Kolkata Mint 200. Rural Woman UNC Mumbai Mint 200. 200 rupees each. Some Daneshwar BU condition Kolkata Mint 400. UNC condition 300. UNC condition Mumbai Mint 200. Patel Mumbai Mint BU condition 300. Gandhi Mumbai Mint 50 paise UNC condition 200. Subhash Chandra Bose BU condition Kolkata Mint clear line 200. And one more is there, same BU clear line Kolkata Mint with mild rotation. You can see the rotation 200, same price, with all details clear. You can see Commonwealth Game Noida Mint BU condition 200. Hyderabad BU 200. World Food Day Mumbai UNC condition 200. Food and Shelter BU Mumbai 5 paise 300. Food and Shelter Kolkata BU 300. Happy Child UNC Mumbai 200. quarter rupee 46 Mumbai UNC 300. World Food Day Hyderabad, UNC 400. Food and Work Mumbai, UNC 300. Fisheries, UNC Kolkata Mint 300. Dr. Ambedkar, BU Mumbai Mint 300. Nehru Hyderabad, BU 300. This is 5 rupees. Care for Girl Child, Hyderabad Mint, extra fine condition 500 with the clear mint mark, clear star mint. Equality Development, Kolkata Mint, UNC 300. 76 Kolkata Mint. This is a single mint coin, definitive 300. UNC condition. ILO Hyderabad Mint, AUNC condition. Let's see the clear mint mark 500. United Nations, AUNC Mumbai Mint 300. Tourism Year, BU Mumbai Mint 400. Small Family Mumbai Mint, BU 500. Mahatma Gandhi Mumbai Mint, UNC condition 1 rupee 300. Rainfed Farming Kolkata Mint, BU condition 400. Supreme Court Noida Mint, UNC 300. Shama Prasad Noida Mint, BU 400. 1963 Mumbai Mint 200. It has a ghost image. You can see the ghost image, proper ghost image. It has full lion. There is a ghost image only for both the side ghost image. You can see 200 rupees. 1955 quarter rupee, extra fine condition, rare coin, Mumbai Mint 400. Shastri Ji Kolkata Mint, BU condition, very scarce coin 400. Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, BU condition, Mumbai Mint 300. Cellular Jail Kolkata Mint, BU 400. Chitrandan Das, UNC condition, this is a B lion, Noida Mint 300. This is also B lion, this is for 400. Sant Tukaram Noida Mint, BU condition 400. Tukaram Kolkata Mint, BU condition 200. Youth Year Mumbai Mint, BU condition 500. Youth Year Kolkata Mint, BU condition, very scarce coins 600 with the clear line. Asian Games Hyderabad Mint, BU condition 300. Jawaharlal Nehru Hyderabad Mint with a mild off center type, only for 600. Normal coin price only I am giving, I am not charging extra, only for 600. UNC condition. K. Kamaraj, BU condition, Hyderabad Mint 400. 25th anniversary Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, but this is a rotation one. You can see the 1 hour rotation is there, only for 300. UNC condition. of rupee 1954, only for 500. Tamil Conference, Noida Mint, BU condition, very scarce coin, 600. International Family, UNC condition in Mumbai Mint, 300. Aurobindo, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 300. Quit India, Kolkata Mint, BU condition, 800. See the disc effect. Biodiversity, BU condition, Hyderabad Mint, 1000 rupees. Small Family, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 900. If you want the set, 100 rupees discount, both are BU condition, 1900 becomes, I'll give you for 1800 rupees. Happy Child, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 700. Food and Shelter, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 400. Food and Environment, UNC condition, Noida Mint, 600. Food for Future, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, 1000. Food and Work, Environment, Food and Environment, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 600. This Hyderabad Mint I can give for 800. Someone want 200 discount today. (1961) Mumbai Mint. This is a mirror finish coin. See the mirror finish. Only for 200. I have two, both from Mumbai Mint, mirror finish coin. 200 rupees each. 1964 Kolkata Mint, UNC, 200. 1963 Kolkata, 200. This is 25 paise, all UNC. 62 Kolkata, 200. 61 Kolkata, 200. 60 Kolkata, 200. Some 50 paise. 71 Kolkata, UNC, 100. 68 Kolkata, 200. 63 Kolkata, 200. FAO Noida, UNC condition, very scarce coin, only for 800 with a clear line. Rural Woman, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition, 500. Rural Woman, Kolkata, BU condition, 300. 800 rupees set. You can take single also. Madan Mohan Malviya, BU condition, Hyderabad Mint, rare coin, 600. Sant Tukaram, Hyderabad Mint, BU, 400. World Food Day, Mumbai Mint, BU, 700. Subhash Chandra Bose, BU, Mumbai Mint, 800. 93 Mumbai Mint, BU, single mint coin, 1200. Food for Future, Kolkata Mint, early strike, rare coin. To get like this clear face is very difficult. All come with the flat face. See the face, all details on the face. Only for 1800. UNC condition. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Noida Mint, UNC condition, clear mint mark. You can see the clear mint mark. Only for 2400. 1950 Mumbai Mint, BU condition. 2000 Agri Expo, UNC condition, Kolkata Mint, rare coin, 1800 with the clear lion. You can see the clear lion with one small die crack. Water for Life, B lion, UNC condition. 1400 Water for Life, normal one, 700. Set for 2000 rupees, UNC condition. One lion variety, one normal coin. See the lion. This is called B lion, and this is a lion, normal lion. So it becomes 2100. I'll give for 2100 rupees discount for the set. Small Farmers, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, 300. Small Farmer, Hyderabad Mint, UNC condition, for 500. If someone wants both, can take for 700 rupees set. Single coin want, then single coin 500. Half rupee, 1921, Kolkata Mint, AUNC tag condition, 1800. Extra fine only book says 1500. This is a extra fine. Sorry, in the book only it is some around 4000 rupees, UNC coin. Sorry, this is 2000 in the book. Actually, I got confused with the 30. 21, 2000 in the book. This is AUNC condition, 1800 rupees. This is 4000 in the book, UNC condition. But this is AUNC condition. Very scarce coin. This is 2800. This is single mint also. $1924, half rupee, Mumbai Mint, 2000. $1934, Kolkata Mint, half rupee, 1200. Half rupee 30, 2800. 1947, UNC condition, 1800. Half rupee 36, Kolkata Mint, 900. Agri Expo, UNC condition, Sea Lion, rare Mumbai Mint. You can see the struck through error is there on the Ashoka Chakra. You can see there a small struck through error is there. Sea Lion only for 2000, UNC condition. First War of Independence, AUNC condition. This is 4 bags, mule variety. You can see here 4 bags are there. AUNC condition only for 2400. Khadi Village, Mumbai Mint, BU condition, rare coin, only for 1700. You can see clear lion. This is Tilak Ki FSS M mint mark, but this is a clear M mint mark. It's very rare when it is clear M mint mark. I'm trying to show you. See the M. When it is a clear M, it is a rare, very rare actually. The M always comes smashed, but here it is clear. Only for 12,000. Plan Family, Hyderabad Mint, BU condition. 1 minute, I'll open it. Check the condition. See the mint mark, star, clear star mint mark. Only for 7,800. BU condition. X rare coin. 1940 UNC condition, George 6, Mumbai Mint, 1200. 1944 Lahore Mint, AUNC condition, but this is the error one, ghost image coin. This is, you can see his face is there, crown, his whole face and crown, everything is there. 1 minute, I'll just show. See there, see here, nose, you can see. I'll just show with the pencil, finger I can't show. You see here his face, nose, here his crown, see here the ears, here ears. I'm giving it as a common coin price only, 1500 rupees. This is a Lahore Mint, very scarce coins, AUNC condition, ghost image. 1944 Lahore Mint, UNC condition. This is a normal coin for 1400. Half rupee 36 Kolkata Mint, 1100. Half rupee 34 Kolkata Mint, single mint coin, 1200. Half rupee 33 single mint coin, Kolkata Mint, 1200. Half rupee 39 Kolkata Mint, matured head, see the crown, rare coin, only for 2000. Head variety, you can say mule. 1911 Kolkata Mint, big variety. It's a rare coin, plus it has a 1 hour rotation, you can see, only for 4900. To get rare in a rotation in this British India coin, you can see this is a pig. 1915 Kolkata Mint, only for 2600. Very scarce coin, 1915. 1943 Mumbai Mint, UNC condition, scarce coin. This is also very scarce coin, only for 1800 rupees. 1944 Lahore Mint, UNC condition, half rupee, only for 1200. 1943 Mumbai Mint, this is also scarce coin, UNC condition. I have two, both have little different luster, you can see. That's why I kept different one. Whoever wants, whichever you want to, you can take it. This is like little golden type, this is white luster. 1800, both are 1800 rupees each. $1900 Kolkata Mint, UNC condition, Empress, only for 2600. Mild gold type of luster is there. BU condition, 25th year anniversary, Mumbai Mint, flag coin, 10 rupees, only for 2800 rupees, BU condition. Shama Prasad Mukherjee, Noida Mint. This is a sharp edge variety. I'll show you the edge. Only for 500 rupees. See the clear details, clear line. It's like a early stripe. Only for 500 rupees. I have some lion varieties. Bolu the Guard, BU condition, Mumbai Mint. C1 lion and C2 lion, only for 400. Normal coin price I'm giving. There's nothing extra charged. This is a date variety, small date. This is a big date. You can check in the book. This is there in the book. Rain-fed farming, Mumbai Mint set. Only for 800 rupees. UNC to BNC condition. Parliamentary lion set, BU condition. This is Mumbai Mint, single mint coin. See the lion, hairy lion. Chest you see, and see gap in the chest in the middle. 800 rupees set, UNC condition. Mahatma Basveshwar lion set, Mumbai Mint, single mint coin, only for 300. You can see tall lion, short lion. Deshbandhu Chitrandana Das lion set, Noida Mint. You can see B lion, and this is C lion, only for 800 rupees. Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, this is a Noida Mint lion set. C1 lion, C2 lion, only for 600. UNC condition. That's all for today, friends. Thank you for watching. See you again.